Blazor, ready on the set. This is a take. All right, man. Hold your donkey. Hold your donkey. Okay, chicos. Another episode of the Blazor Blahmon show. And Mr. Pups is here. And you're here. And we're going to test and try out the echo microphone, the left button, and the scream button. So let's get right to it. And okay, hey, we should use this, huh? Welcome to another episode of the Blazor Blahmon show. How you doing out there, chicos? Can you hear me? Loud and echoey. Ha! Okay, and now we try out this one right here. We try out the laugh button first. And we do this. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Thank you very much. And then we have another one. What did the rooster say to a major chicken of Major Chicken's restaurants? You're too kind, man. He said, "What the cluck is your problem, mother plucker?" You get it? Well, you can have it. Yeah, okay, let's try it this way now. Why did the chicken cross the road? Whoa! I don't even want to know if I want to give the answer. But, alright, to get to the other side. What did the rooster say to Major Chicken of Major Chicken's restaurant? What the cluck is your problem, mother plucker? Anyway, oh, look at here. Here's the scream button, and this guy right here is screaming. And okay, and well, seems like they worked. And we give them a bell, a double fist pump, thumbs up. Anyway, on our on an upcoming show, hopefully soon, we're going to try out the mini milk chocolate bars Avengers. No, it's real. It's not a joke. Something nothing to laugh about. Okay, now that was scary. I pressed this one and this one went off. Okay. And until next time, try and have a good one, chicos. I know I will. Hey Les, it's your turn to treat to lunch.
Very funny. Ha, he, he.